Okay, so here's the Solis hybrid inverter, and this is the current Wi-Fi dongle. You can see that it's trying to connect because the green light is flashing on the left there. So what we want to be doing is to reset it, and then we're going to connect to it with an iPad. You can use your iPhone as well, or anything similar. So on the back of the dongle is a button. He says it's right at the very top here. You need to press and hold that. I'll do this real time. Keep it pressed, keep it pressed, keep it pressed. And what we're waiting for is for all the lights to probably go off. Any second now. And there we go, and release. So that should have reset it. And we're waiting for it to come back on. It makes for quite a boring video, but it's what we need to do. It's now rebooting itself.